A heartiest welcome to Dew Public School. So students, my name is Jasmine Misra. Today I will teach you Standard 5 Mathematics Chapter 9, that is Perimeter, Area and Volume. And today we will discuss about volume. And your topic is measuring volume by counting unit cubes. Okay students? So before going to the topic, first we have to know what is volume. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a solid object. So now question arises, what is a solid object? All the 3D objects are solid objects. 3D means three-dimensional object. Okay, so 3D objects means objects having length, breadth and height. For example, cube, cuboid, etc. So what is the unit of the volume? The unit of the volume is expressed in cubic units. So students, how to find the volume of a cube? If the volume of an object is found by counting the number of unit cubes that can be fit in the object. So what is a unit cube? A unit cube is a cube whose sides are 1 centimeter each. You can see here, if length is 1 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter, then what will be the volume? The volume is length into breadth into height. 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, that is your 1 cubic centimeter. So here the volume, the unit of volume is cubic centimeter. Okay students? So now this is a regular shaped cube. And how you find the volume of the regular shaped cube? Here you can see the lengthwise number of cubes is 3. Lengthwise number of cubes are 3 cubes. And breadthwise also 3 cubes are present. And heightwise also 3 cubes are present. So how you calculate length into breadth into height? You simply apply the formula value, that is length into breadth into height. So here length is 3, breadth is 3 and height also 3. So 3 length into breadth into height, that is 3 into 3 into 3, that is your 27 cubic units. Okay, 27 cubic units. So here another some regular pictures, regular cubes are present, regular shaped cubes are present. Count the number of cubes used to build each solid figure. In first picture you can see lengthwise 5 cubes are present, breadthwise 4 cubes are present, the heightwise 1 cubes are present. So apply the formula volume, length into breadth into height, that is 5 into 4 into 1 is 20 cubic units. Okay. Another one is number 2. Here you can see lengthwise 5 cubes are present, breadthwise 4 cubes are present, the heightwise 2 cubes are present. So 5 4s are 20 into 2 is 40 cubic units. Okay, 40 cubic units. We can erase it now. Now third figure, you can see lengthwise 5 cubes are present, breadthwise 4 cubes are present, the heightwise 5 cubes are present. So length into breadth into height is 5 into 4 into 5, that is 5 4s are 20 into 5 is 100 cubic units. Another picture you see, number 4, length is 5 cubes are present and breadth also 5 cubes are present, height wise also 5 cubes are present. So total number of cubes how you find, that means volume is 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125 cubic units. Okay, so in this way we can find the volume of a regular shaped objects. Okay, so now this is another worksheet, that how we find this when the volume of these 4 objects. Here you see, here the lengthwise 4 cubes are present. Breadth wise 3 cubes are present, and height wise 3 cubes are present. Okay, this is your height wise, length wise and breadth wise. Okay, so 4, how to find the volume? 4 3 ja 12, 3 ja 36. Okay, total is 36 cubic units. Next figure you see, length wise 3 cubes are present, breadth wise 1 cube present, and height wise 2 cubes present. So here length is 3, breadth is 1 and height is 2. So how you find the volume? 3 into 1 into 2. 3 into 1 into 2. That is 3 1 ja 3 into 2 is 6 cubic units. Okay. Then here you can see third figure. Lengthwise 5 cubes are present. Breadthwise 2 cubes are present. Height wise 4 cubes are present. So 5 into 2 into 4. 10 into 4 is 40. So 40 cubic units. Okay. So you can see lengthwise fourth figure, lengthwise 4 cubes are present, breadthwise 2 cubes are present, and heightwise 2 cubes are present. So 4 into 2 into 1. Okay, 4 2 ja 8 into 1, that is 8 into 2. That is 4 2 ja 8 into 2 is 16 cubic units. Okay. So in this way we can find the volume of a regular shaped cube. Another here, how we find the volume of a irregular shaped cube. Here you can see the number of cubes here present is 5. And here 2 rows are present, column wise 5 cubes are there and rows are 2. That means 5 into 2 is 10. Here you can see 5 cubes are present. So plus 5. 10 plus 5. Then third is here column wise 5 cubes, the row wise 2 cubes. That means 5 into 2 again 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5 is 25 cubic units. Okay. So in this way you can find the volume of a irregular shaped cube. Now you can see how we find. Here you see column wise 3 cubes are present and row wise 2 cubes are present. That means 3 into 2 is 6. And column wise 2 cubes are present, row wise 2 cubes are present. So 2 2 ja 4. Here also 2 and row wise 2, then 2 2 ja 4. Then column wise 1, row wise 2, that means 1 into 2 is 2. Column wise 1, again row wise 2, that means 1 into 2 is 2. So if you add this one, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18. That means volume is 18 cubic units. Okay. Next, here you can see some figures are given. Okay. First figure, lengthwise 5 cubes are present, breadthwise 4 cubes are present, and heightwise 1 cube is present. So 5 into 4 into 1 is equal to 20 cubic units. Okay. So another figure you can see here, lengthwise 4 cubes are present, breadthwise 2 cubes are present, and heightwise also 2 cubes are present. So 4 into 2 is 8 into 2 is 16 cubic units. Another worksheet figure you see, this is irregular shaped figure, that is total number of cubes you see 1 2 3 and another one is 1 2 3 3 3 is equal to 6 unit cubes. Here you can see this in this picture 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8, that is 8 cubic units. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 cubic units. Okay, so now another worksheet here given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is your 8 cubic units. And second thing here, second number you can see number of volume 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 cubic units. Third number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 cubic units. Here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, 5 cubic units. In next figure 1 2 3, and row color breadth wise also 3, so 3 into 3 is 9, and height is 1, it is 9, and again 1 2, and this one row wise length is 2 and length is 3 and breadth is 2 and height is 1, 3 2 just 6. Okay, 9 plus 6 is your 15 cubic units. And here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again done, 10 cubic units. Here it is this two row 1 2 3 4 5, this two row is 5 into 10, then one single, that is 11 cubic units. And this one you can see lengthwise 2, breadthwise 2, 2 2 is 4 plus 1. Okay, 2 2 is 4 into 3, 12 plus 1 is 13 cubic units. Okay, so in this way what you learned in this lesson, you learned how to finding the volume of a three-dimensional figure by counting the number of cubes that it forms. Thank you.